Hi, ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? We're back again with another beautiful video on Nzdjpy. A beautiful trade that turned out amazing. Let me just break down everything, the reasons why I took this particular trade, the entries, and everything else. All right, so stick around. This was the one. I mean, a 1 to 9 hour, 290 pips target. Like it was an amazing trade. So sit around and actually check out the rest of the video. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and delete everything on this chart right now, so that we can start from the beginning. I show you my thought process and everything else. All right, so you can clearly see that this trade was actually sent to our private community, as you can clearly see here. We're targeting this high right there, and the market was right here. It was sent on Tuesday last week. Yeah, on the 11th of October 2022. You can clearly see that it was sent to our private community right here. So let's go ahead and let me show you what happened and what made me take this particular trade. Okay, so we had really this nice level right here. Let me just show you right now. Let me just go back. You can see that this is the level we had right here. So clearly you can see that we had a nice drop based rally supply zone right here. Okay, it's extremely important that this high here, this high that breaks this low right here, make sure that it shows break of the higher high. All right, so what you have here, you have that break right here, and then also if you look down here, you have this drop based rally, right? Drop based rally. So my concentration is looking at this low here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and drop to the lower time frame and actually get to see what was happening right there. So of course, if you can go to the lower to the higher time frame, you clearly see that the market was going to the downside. We had this downtrend which was dominating, but however, you can see that there was a change of character right here. All right, so if you go back to the 1 hour time frame, what we're going to do is we go ahead and look for the order block. All right, as usual, we go back to the lower time frame and find our order block. Yeah, so this is our order block right here. So you just get that high there and this low right here. Okay, so that's our order block right there. Then something interesting was happening here. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. You can clearly see that we had this level here being respected for some time. So you can clearly connect this and this one plus this one right here. So when you have that happening, what you have to do is that's your liquidity, right? That shows you that this is the major support level where most retail traders will be trying to sell from, I mean to buy from. Okay, so that's liquidity area right there. Okay, so we have a drop based rally. So we go ahead and put that in place. That's a drop based rally right there. That's a drop based rally just there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and increase our font size like that. Then we input our liquidity zone right here. Okay, that's our liquidity zone right there. And then because of this level right here, you can see that it had to be taken out, and then we entered after that move right there. Of course, you make sure that there is what change of character, and you can clearly see that the market broke that high right there, and created a new high above right there. Came to retest this low and retest it again, and we had the market breaking this structure right here. So from here, this is my lower low, this is my lower low right there. Then you can call this a QML. Okay, then what happened here is that the higher high was created right there. That's significant. That tells you that the market has changed direction from being an uptrend to a downtrend, from being a downtrend to an uptrend, right? So we just wait for the market to pull back into this level so that we can push to the upside. So from here, you determine your stop loss and your target. So target, I was looking at this level right here. I was targeting that high, that right there. And for the stop loss, I wanted my stop loss to just be slightly below the lower low. Okay, make sure your stop loss is slightly just below the lower low, and your target is you're targeting the next fresh demand zone. So I was targeting this level right here, and you can clearly see that the market just almost came to my take profit right there and pushed to the upside, I mean to the downside like that. So this is how the setup was. I was risking about, let me see, yeah, about 35 pips, targeting about 300 pips, right? And the market literally just came about 290 pips, and then the market dropped like crazy. Clearly see that this is how it was. It was absolutely amazing, right? It was an amazing trade. You can see that after the market came to this level, broke this low right here, then we saw the market pushing to the upside, crazy. And then we had this big move that was caused by CPI news right here, tried to come to our level right here, then the market pushed again to the upside. So it's important to stay put. This just shows you how the market will try and scare you, then the market continue to go in a direction. So these circumstances like this will be very difficult to stay in the market. However, you could literally just put your stop loss to break at break even when you have news events coming like this, like CPI, NFP, like that. So that at the end of the day, you don't know where the market is going to go to, right? You have no idea where the market is going to go to the upside or to the top, I mean to the downside when that news comes around. So what you can do is just lock in some profit or just put it to break even. This was going to scare you a lot. The market would have, if you move the stop loss too early, again, market have been taking you out, and market going to in your favor. But if just put your stop loss at break even, you'd have survived this, and the market would have gone up and hit your take profit. All right. So don't be scared. The market doesn't move in a straight line. The market doesn't move in a straight line. You can see the market push to the upside, drop, push to the upside, drop even further, push to the upside, just like that. That's what the market does. The market will never move in a straight line, and that's how it is. So as long as the market still meets your criteria, please stay in that particular trade. And unless you want to get out of the market because you don't like trade news and you don't like to be around when news is there, so you can actually maybe take your profit when the market is there, or move your stop loss so that the market doesn't like get your profits, right? But remember, scared money doesn't make any money. So you have to be available for such big winning trades to actually come. If you're scared of losing, it's not a service game for you, right? Because losing is so part of this game. It's so part of this game. Alright. So you guys, I hope you found this video informative. If you have, make sure that you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also check out our mastery course in the description. It's the first link in the description. Gives you access to lifetime mentorship and signals, right? It was a beautiful trade. You can clearly see that this trade was shared in our private community, and yeah, so this is how it was. All right, so you guys take care of yourself. Goodbye.